Hey everybody, I'm Bree from BreeOnLens.com, and today what I'd like to do is show you a process video on how I used the Cricut Maker to create these vintage rustic looking signs for this holiday season. So let's just jump right in and get started in today's project. I saw this really cute hot cocoa design on Design Space, and I'm going to use one of these. I have some wood in my stash, and this is from Woodpile. I probably got it for 50% off when I ordered off of hobbylobby.com. And so I'm thinking that I'm gonna stain this, and then I've always wanted to make a sign, so today I'm gonna make a sign because I'm using all things Cricut. I've got my advent calendar going. My daughter wants to paint, and she wants me to do something with her, so my daughter wants to paint, and she wants me to do something with her, so.
I like painting.
Oh, look at your nose is running. She's got a cold. Anyway, so she wants me to do something with her, so I thought, well, why not get my wood prepped for the project that I want to do while she's doing this. So let's do today's project. I just opened it, and this comes with 3 of these, which I think is a pretty good value. So for $6, which I probably paid $3 because I probably got it 50% off, and it is 8 by 10 inches. So I think that's a pretty good value. So I think for this one, I'm gonna stain it, and then I think I wanna have like a deep stain and then do like white letters. I'm thinking that, because I was also thinking maybe doing like red and then doing white letters, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do a dark stain. So let's get started. Change of plans. I'm going to sand it a little bit, and then I'm going to paint the whole thing a dark red, and then I'll use like a cream or a white on top, and I think it's gonna be really cute. You'll see. I probably showed you my design already in the video. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you that I changed my mind. We've done 1 coat. I'm about to do 2 coats. I'm using Santa Red by Americana because I just got this from Hobby Lobby as well, and so I thought, why not? I was gonna use this for some of my primitive projects, but I thought, well, why not? So here we go. We are 2 coats in, and I think I'm gonna do one more and call it good, and then we get to move on to the fun. Well, I mean, this is pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really happy with 3 coats. I think that looks really nice. So 3 coats of Santa Red. I couldn't find my gesso, so I didn't gesso my my piece, which probably I would only need 2 coats if I had gessoed it, I would assume, but who knows. And yeah, I have no idea where I put it. But this is a spur of the moment project, so I didn't feel like, you know, spending 25 minutes looking for it. So anyway, so now I get to go get my design, and I'll meet you over there. I'm gonna try to make this a stencil. Hopefully it doesn't stick. We will see. This is that project that I thought earlier that I want to do. Well, I'm glad I'm just going to use this as a stencil because I am not really pleased with this vinyl so far. Just saying. Just saying. Got it set up right here, so now I'm going to go ahead and make it. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's project and my process video on this. It was a lot of fun to make, and as always, I really appreciate your time. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe on what you think about this project, and I'll see you in the next project and the next video. Bye.